And Caitlyn Jenner is an ace pilot to boot, as she proved once again on Friday in Los Angeles. The 68-year-old was spotted taking her twin-prop aircraft out for a spin, accompanied by a young female friend. The duo took off from Van Nuys in the Beechcraft Baron airplane, which is worth in the region of $1. 4 meters. The I Am Kate star could be seen in the pilot's seat, wearing her headset and shades, as well as a blue blouse. Caitlyn started taking flying lessons after winning gold in the 1976 Olympics, according to a profile done on the Olympian on OPA. The star told the website that learning to fly the airplane was easy. It was everything else one has to learn that was challenging. Caitlyn frequently takes members of her family for a ride in her aircraft. She's been spotted flying with her mom Esther and son Brandon recently. However, the Olympic medalist has been spending most of her time recently with 21-year-old Sophia Hutchins. Romantic rumors started when the women traveled to Cabo together last October. But in November, Jenner's reps told Us Weekly that the women are not in a romantic relationship. Hutchins, who is also transgender, began her transition from male to female when she started school at Pepperdine University in Malibu.